Hey, welcome to Treehouse Children's Museum in Ogden, Utah. It's time for a Treehouse Behind the Scenes. I'm here in our loading dock here at Treehouse. We use this for all kinds of things. We take deliveries here. Sometimes we build exhibits or paint or repair things here in this part of the museum. And I'm here today because yesterday we got a crate with a brand new exhibit component in it. It's a part of the upgrade of our Science Circus exhibit. Have you ever watched one of those YouTube videos where they unbox something? Well, have you ever seen a box this big? We thought you might like to see us unbox this. And maybe you can even figure out what this exhibit component is going to do in our Science Circus. Are you ready? I gotta get some tools. Let's open this box. Well, that should be it for the top. But I'm going to need some help lifting this. I'd better go get a friend. Hey, David, can you help me with this crate? Take this one off, you're gonna see something. Okay, what do you think we're gonna see? Are you ready? Here's our first glimpse. Woo! What could that be? Wow! What do you think of that? What a surprise to find inside that crate. What do you think it does? You can give us your answers in an email, treehouse@treehousemuseum.org. I'll only give you 2 hints. It's a part of the upgrade of our Science Circus exhibit. The second hint, this isn't all that there is of this exhibit component. We got 2 more crates, and we'll show you what's in those crates some other time. Ladies and gentlemen, while you're not able to visit us here at Treehouse, this is the kind of thing that we're building to get ready for you, and we can't wait to see you and this in action. Until then, thanks for joining us for Treehouse Behind the Scenes. Treehouse Museum is in Ogden, Utah, but don't forget that you can visit Treehouse anytime online at treehousemuseum.org.